Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how to create admin pages and their sub pages. So let's talk about what is admin pages and their sub pages. In the WordPress, as you can see, plugins, add new plugin editor. So plugin is the admin page, main page, and add new plugin editor is their sub pages. So let's create admin pages by code. First of all, go to the Google and search for add menu page. Click on it. This is the description of the function add menu page. So let's first of all find out the code, then I will explain you what is the purpose of this code. So I think I need this. Copy it and paste it into functions.php or any other PHP file. You can paste it in your plugin. First of all, change the function's name. Custom add menu pages. Copy and paste. Admin menu is the WordPress default hook for add admin menus. Change it also. Change it to testing. Copy it. Paste. Paste it. This is a callback function. I am removing the callback function. I will tell you later why I am doing this. This will be also empty. So save it and go to WordPress and refresh. As you can see, this an admin page is created by code testing. So what is description of this function? Page title testing. As you can see, page title will show there. Menu title, as you can see, menu title is showing already there. This is the menu title. Capability. So what is capability? Manage options. Manage options is used for admin pages. Only admin can see these pages. Menu slug testing. Slug will appear there. Callback function. For now it is empty. You can see function callback. Icon URL. So this is the icons. This is WordPress default icons. We can change it. Just go to Google and search for it. Dash icons. Click on it. You can copy their slug and paste it in there. Refresh. As you can see, icon is changed. This is the menu position. So what does that mean? Menu position. If I change it, then it will go below the media. Now it is upside the media. So this is the menu position. So I have done admin page. Let me add my admin sub pages. So close it. Go to Google and search for admin sub menu page. Click on it. Find out the function which we can use. So I think I can use this. copy it and paste it in the same hook. So go to the definition, parent slug. This is a parent slug of the admin page. I will add it in the parent slug position. Without it, we cannot add into admin pages. This is the page title, menu title, manage options like admin menu page. This is the slug and the callback function. I am changing the name of the callback function. Let's make a function. Close it. In the callback function, we do not need action hook like this. We just need to call it and do whatever we want. Just save it and refresh. I think something is missing. Menu slug, menu position. Let me do a position for it. Try it. Yeah, it's done. As you can see, we do not add a callback function for the admin page, so it is empty. If we click on it, as you can see, this is admin subpage that we add in the callback is showing. So in this video I have added admin page and their subpages by code.